Thank you for coming here, and I hope you will be enjoying our jalsa here. This area is just a temporary makeshift arrangement, so he might not be getting full comfort here. Which ministry do you hold?
National security.
So how is the law and order situation there? Because you have to be watchful and vigilant with regards to your borders,
Yes.
sharing with Burkina Faso, and then the other one is Ivory Coast, and then Togo, because from Burkina Faso some miscreants can enter to Ghana from through Togo or Benin.
Yes.
Togo, yes. But you are a Muslim, huh?
Yeah, alhamdulillah, yes, I am.
The dress you are wearing, this is why.
Thank you very much.
I am happy to see you here, and I hope you will enjoy here, and you will know much about us by spending some time here during Jalsa and with our community here. Okay, Allah bless you all.